welcome back to another restocking video. That's right, so today we're going to be having a restock video. I'm going to be restocking tons of Valentine's Day themed slimes and then a few regular slimes that you guys have been liking for the past few weeks. Before we get on with the video, don't forget to subscribe down below. Let's get the Sliminator squad to 10,000 Sliminators. Don't forget to buy some slime from my shop. This restock will be at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 1 p.m. Mountain Time, and 12 p.m. Pacific Time. Those are all the time zones that I have, but all you have to do is Google 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to whatever time zone you live in. And don't forget to comment down below, #SlimeMatorSquad. Next week I will be doing some little shout outs, so don't forget to comment #SlimeMatorSquad. Let's get on with the video. So first, a little disclaimer is, I probably will be putting stickers on these. I don't have stickers on them right now because my printer just broke, so I'm sorry about that. But yeah. So the first slime that we have is one of my first cloud slimes in my shop. It's called Heartbroken. I love this cloud slime. It's so nice. It is marbled red and black. It smells just like root beer. I don't know why I scented it like that. I really liked the smell. It's really nice, but that's what it smells like. And it's marbled black and red. It's a super slow falling cloud slime. Very, very, very nice. It leaves no residue on my hands whatsoever or on the table at all. And when you finish mixing it together, it has a nice purple color for some reason. I don't know, but that's why. It's also very sizzly. So this next one is called Cupid Milk. This is gotta be one of my two favorites out of this whole restock. Once you guys see the texture of this, you will be shocked. This slime is so thick and so glossy. It is a very light pink base with some golden glitters. It is very clicky and super nice. It's really soft and creamy also. And it also holds its shape a lot. It's scented, well, I can't really explain the scent because I just grabbed all my pink scents and threw them in there. But it's really nice and creamy and holds a lot of bubbles. This next one is called Love Spell. This is inspired by glitter slimes. This slime is so thick, the beads don't even rise to the top. That's how thick it is. Like, what? I'm shaking. It's so good. I don't know. It holds a lot of bubbles. It's super clicky, and it is super stretchy. It has a lot of foam beads. They're pink, a darker purple, and then a fuchsia. And the base is like a violet, and it smells like sea berries. I don't know, I brought this one, not this exact one obviously, this is my personal one, but I brought this slime to school, and everyone was freaking out over it. Like, what? So, I definitely recommend you getting this one if you can only get one thing. This has to be my #1 favorite slime in the whole restock. So, if you guys want to get something, get this. This next one is called Love Cake. It has a dark brown base, like chocolate cake. It has a super crunchy foam top. It is super glossy because it's made with glue all. It's also super stretchy and really thick. This is one of the thickest slimes ever. It has quite kind of like the same base as chocolate milk, except a little bit thicker. It's very, very clicky. I can't explain the scent. It smells like chocolate. Very nice. It has pink foam beads and then some assorted rainbow jumbo foam beads, and it holds a lot of bubbles. So this next one is the last Valentine's Day slime. It is called Clay Heart. It is scented like sort of like strawberries and grapefruits. It smells really nice. It is a stretchy clay slime. It is not like, it's stretchy, but also sometimes it isn't that stretchy. It is more for squeezing and squishing and clicking because it has really nice poke, and yeah. And it's not a spreadable slime. It is a clay slime though, so that's why it's not spreadable. So if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like down below, a comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to send some slime for my underrated slime shop review. My P.O. box is in the description. Don't forget to buy from the shop, and bye guys!